I'm Lisbeth Muller, and today I'm going to teach you how to make some Cuban style picadillo. I want you to get an idea of what it looks like as it's cooking. You want the sofrito, the red sofrito, and this is a red sofrito, to cook for a while because you want it to get a little bit brown, not a lot, just a little bit, and to cook with all the stuff in there, to simmer, to flavor it up. You want it to cook. See how it's kind of boiling? I want you to let it boil for just a little bit. It's going to pop up and boil, but it's important before you place your meat in here for it to do that, for it to go ahead and boil like that, because there's a couple other ingredients that we're going to go ahead and throw in there, but it's after you put the picadillo, which is the ground beef and the pork. So first I'm going to just stir this and let it boil again, and then before I place my other ingredients, I'm going to get my meat and I'm going to place it in there with the sauce and stir it.